Now we'll resume our section, which is factoring. There is a typo. No, it's okay. Not a mistake. Okay, here we need to factor out minus 6x to the power 4 plus 41x cubed plus 7x squared. Always we start with the greatest common factor. I'll take the minus common factor to make life easy. I'll take also x squared common factor. What is left? So this is the greatest common factor. So I will get 6x squared and minus 41x and minus 7. That's it. That's the first thing. So we complete again the factoring. We open two brackets. We said if the last is minus, so one of them will be plus, the second will be minus. So if I have 6x squared, the right choice should be 6x times x, that is the first times the first should give me the first, which is I have chosen 6x times x. And the last, which is minus 7 times plus 1. Minus 7 times plus 7 should give me the last. Minus 7 times plus 1 should give me the last. So first 1 times first number 2 should give me first. And here this is 6x squared. And last number 1 times last number 2, this is last number 1, that's last number 2 should give me the last. What I mean, let me say this is 1 and that is minus 6. So last number 1 times last number 2 should give you the last, which is minus 7, should give you minus 7. And inside, which is x, plus outside, which is minus 42x, should give you minus 41x, which is the middle. So that is our factoring. It's minus x squared, 6x plus 1 times x minus 7. So the right answer is E. Again, here I have minus 5a to the power 4 times b minus 5a to the power 3b squared 30a squared b to the power 3. We'll start with the common factor. I have minus 5, 30. So I'll take minus 5 common factor. I have a to the power 4, a to the power 3, a to the power 2. So a to the power 2 is again common factor. I have b squared, b cubed, so b common factor. So this is, we call it the greatest common factor. What is left inside? The left inside, it will be plus a squared now minus 5. Again, it will be plus, and a squared, it will be a, b squared, it will be b. Now, if I take minus again, 30 will become minus, because 30 divided by minus 5 will be minus 6. A squared is taken, and b is taken, so it will be b squared. Now, That's minus 5 a squared times b. As I said, this is the greatest common factor. I open two brackets and I said if the last is negative, then one of them is plus, the second is minus. A squared, we have one option, which is a times a. Regarding minus 6, it will be 3 times minus 2. Why 3 minus 2? Because the 3 times minus 2 is minus 6, and inside it will be, sorry, I should say 3b and 2b minus 2b. Inside will be 3ab, and outside it's minus 2ab. And what's the total? It's a plus ab, and that is equal to what? The middle. So first times first should give me first. Last times last should give me last, and inside the plus outside should give me the middle. So that will be my factoring, minus 5a squared times b, a plus 3b, and a minus 2b. So the answer is minus 5a squared times b, a plus 3b, and a minus 2b. Where is a minus 2b? Okay, we could insert the minus here. So we could say it's 5a squared b, a plus 3b. If I multiply the minus here, it will be 2b minus a. I think that should be the one, 5a squared b, a plus 3b, 2b minus a, which is a. Now we have 3ab squared plus 9a minus 2ab cubed minus 6 times a times b. Okay, sorry for 3ab plus 9a minus 2a b cubed minus 6ab. We take a common factor here. Sorry, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 terms, we need to make it two groups. I have here 3ab squared plus 9a minus 2ab cubed minus 6ab. I have a common factor. I'll take it common factor. And I have 3926. It's only a common factor. Okay, so I'll take a common factor. I get 3b squared plus 9. I have here minus 2b cubed minus 6b. So I'll make it two groups. This is the first group, and that's the second group. The first group, we have 3 common factor, so I'll get b squared plus 3. The second group, I will take minus 2b common factor, so I'll get b squared plus 3 again. So I said if my grouping is perfect, I need to get another common factor, so I'll take it a common factor. So it will be b squared plus 3 is the common factor. So what is left inside? It will be here 3, and here it will be minus 2b. So the complete factoring will be a times b squared plus 3 times 3 minus 2b. Okay, now, so what's the answer? It's a b squared plus 3 and the 3 minus 2b. That's the answer. Now I have here x squared times y squared minus 1 minus 2 times x times y times z plus z squared. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, so it's by grouping, but the grouping will be first x squared y squared minus 2xyz plus z squared minus 1. These three groups is one group and minus 1. So that will be xy times xy plus both are minus, so it will be z times z, so that will be xy minus z all squared minus 1 squared, so it's a difference of 2 squares, so it will be the first, which is xy minus z minus second, square root of the first, which is xy minus z plus the second. So which one is the answer? Is minus 1, xy minus plus c. Now I have here 6 times 4x squared minus 12 xy plus 9y squared plus 7 times 2x minus 3y minus 3. We should notice here this is I'm either to factor it normally, I'm factoring the 3 group. Just 1 second, I'll take the call. Okay, sorry again. Anyway, when I start recording, I received call. That's why. Anyway, here we have to notice these are three terms and this is a complete square. So because that is 2x all squared minus 2 times the first, which is 2x, times the second, which is a 3 plus a 3y all squared again. So that will be 7 times 2x minus a 3y minus a 3. So that will be 6. It will be 2x minus 3y all squared plus 7 times 2x minus 3y minus 3. Now you can say this is a, which is 2x minus 3y, so this will be equal to 6a squared plus 7a minus 3. So when you expand this one, it will be a times a, and we have this of them will be minus, the second will be plus, is it? No, sorry, the second side not here, 6 is here. Okay, yeah, okay, that will be, sorry, okay, so that will be 6 times 2x minus 3y all squared plus 7 times 2x minus 3y minus 3. So when we say a is equal to 2x minus 3y, we get 6a squared plus 7a minus 3. When we open two brackets, so we will have 6a, it's let's say 6a times a is 6a squared, and we will have here, if we say plus 1 times minus 3, that will not work because that will be minus 18. But if we say that is 2a or 3a times 2a, and we have this is plus and that's minus, so we will have here 2a, and that will be what? Minus 9. So we will have, this is basically 2a, and that's minus 9a. When you add them up, you will get minus 7a. And if we get this one, all we need to do is switch. This will be minus, and that will be plus, so that will be minus, that will be plus, and we'll get 7a. So finally, we get back a, so we will have 3 times 2x minus 3y minus 1, and 2 times a, which is 2x minus 3y plus 3. So that will be equal to 3 times 2x is 6x, 3 times 3 is minus 9y minus 1, and that will be 4x minus 6y plus 3. So that will be one of the factors. He said one of the factors. So which one? Is it A, or let me say, is it number 1 here or number 2 there? Which one is there? I have 4x minus 6y. No. I have 6x minus 9y minus 1. That's the one. Okay. That's a really nice question. So this is, in another word, this is complete square. هذا مربع كامل. فهذا المربع الكامل نكتبه 6 2x minus له جذر الأول إشارة الوسط، جذر الثاني الكل تربيع زائد 7 ب 2x minus 3y minus 3. أعدنا تسمية هذه ب a، فقال 6a squared plus 7a minus 3، وحللناها مرة ثانية، اللي هو 6a هو عبارة عن 3a ضرب 2 ال a. هنا قلنا احنا نبغى موجب، فبصير هنا ناقص 1 في موجب 3، فصارت سالب 2 وموجب 9 هو سالب 7، وبعدين عوضنا بقيمة ال a. هنا يا شباب m to the power 4 plus m squared plus 25. This is also nice. حتى يصير مربع كامل m squared all squared plus m squared plus شنو 5 squared. حتى يكون مربع كامل لو خلينا هذا الآن مربع كامل المفروض الجذر الأول هو m تربيع زائد الجذر الثاني اللي هو 5. لما أفك هذا التربيع بتعطيني كم؟ 5 ضرب ام سكوير ضرب 2 اللي هو 10. أنا ما عندي إلا واحد، فإيش راح أسوي؟ راح نحتال قانونيا حيلة قانونية، نقول راح أضيف حتى يصيروا 10 راح أضيف إليها 9 9 ام سكوير وراح نقص التسعة مرة ثانية. ليش أنت أضفت التسعة؟ لأن هذا راح يصير الآن ام سكوير all سكوير وتسعة، 1 زائد 9 بيكون 10 وهنا 5 سكوير، بتبقى عندي هنا السالب 9 زي ما هي. ايش راح نسوي؟ راح نقول هذا مربع كامل اللي هو جذر الأول اللي هو ام تربيع زائد إشارة الوسط وجذر الثالث اللي هو 5، والثاني هنا راح نخليه 3m all square. فأضفنا الناقص، احنا نحتاج 10 حتى يصير مربع كامل وعندي واحد، أضفت 9 حتى يصير مربع كامل ونقصت 9 اللي هو في الحقيقة مربع كامل، فأصبحت فرق بين مربعين، فبيصير عندي هنا الأول ناقص الثاني. الأول هو الام تربيع زائد 5 والثاني هو 3m، والأول اللي هو ام سكوير زائد 5 زائد الثاني اللي هو 3m، فبيصير عندي هنا m سكوير ماينس 3m بلس 5 وهنا m سكوير بلس 3m بلس 5. هو one of the factors معناته هل هو m سكوير ماينس 3m بلس 5 اللي هو e و m سكوير yeah that's the only one is appearing. نيجي هنا يا شباب نقول 4y to the power 4 minus 5y squared plus 1. هنا هم عندي ثلاثية حدود، فراح أفتح قوسين وأقول 2y squared times 2y squared. هذه ما راح تكون حل صحيح، لأن لو قلنا هنا سالب 1 ضرب سالب 1 ما راح تضبط، لأن سالب 2 وسالب 2 هو سالب 4. فإحنا قلنا إذا كان إشارة الأخير موجبة فالإشارتين لازم يكونوا نفس الإشارة، وقلنا نبغى حاصل ضرب عددين يعطيني الأول، فالخيار الصحيح هو 4 y تربيع ضرب الواي تربيع، والموجب 1 هو سالب 1 ضرب سالب 1. هنا الآن هنا ماينس y سكويرد وماينس 4y سكويرد أعطتني ماينس 5y سكويرد، فهذا التحليل الصحيح. لكن لسه ما انتهينا، لابد إن نكمل. هنا فرق بين مربعين فنفتح قوسين ونقول جذر الأول 2y ناقص جذر الثاني اللي هو 1، جذر الأول زائد جذر الثاني. هنا نفس الشيء فرق بين مربعين، فجذر الأول ناقص جذر الثاني، جذر الأول زائد جذر الثاني. So guys, which one is the right answer? It's that one. Again, I'm going to repeat it. I have 4y squared minus 5y squared plus 1. That is a trinomial, so we open two brackets. If the last is positive, it will be similar to the middle, so it's minus and minus. 4y squared, we can say the right trial 4y squared times y squared, because first times first should give me the first. 4y squared times y squared, it's 4y to the power 4, sorry. Now, minus 1 times minus 1 is the last, and the last should give me the last, minus 1 times minus 1. And inside, plus outside, this is inside, minus y squared. And the outside minus 4y squared, that is minus 5y squared, which is equal to the middle. Then we said this is difference of two squares. I'll open two brackets, and that's another difference of two squares. I will open another bracket. So square root of the first, it's 2y minus square root of second, square root of the first plus second, square root of the first here will be y minus square root of second, square root of the first plus square root of second. Now, omega to the power 4 plus 4v to the power 4. I will do exactly the same thing, guys. I will say if I want this one to be a complete square، ايش راح المفروض الأول؟ جذر الأول اللي هو أوميجا سكوير، وجذر الأخير اللي هو 2v. لكن لو فكيت هذا مرة ثانية المفترض أوميجا سكوير بلس 2v لما أربعه مرة ثانية المفروض مربع الأول اللي هو أوميجا 4، الأول ضرب الثاني ضرب 2 اللي هو 4 أوميجا سكوير تايمز v سكوير، الثاني سكوير اللي هو 4v سكوير. أوكي، الأول تربيع زائد 2 الأول في الثاني زائد الثاني تربيع. طيب الآن أصبح هذه ما هو موجودة عندي هنا، صح؟ فايش راح أسوي؟ راح أضيفها اللي هي 4 أوميجا سكويرد في سكويرد، لكن راح نقصها بعد مرة ثانية حتى نحافظ على المساواة. الآن أنا عندي هذول راح أجمعهم مع بعض، أقول أوميجا تو ذا باور 4 بلس 4 بلس 4 أوميجا سكويرد في سكويرد بلس 4 في تو ذا باور 4. هذول كلهم مجموعة، والمجموعة الثانية راح تكون ماينس 2 أوميجا في الكل تربيع. أوكي تمام. So I will say now this is equal to، هنا قلنا مربع كامل اللي هو جذر الأول إشارة الوسط جذر الثاني الكل تربيع ناقص 2 أوميجا في all square. So it will be minus second and first plus second. So it will be omega squared plus 2v minus 2 omega v and omega squared plus 2v plus 2 omega v. So that will be omega squared minus 2 omega v plus 2v، وهنا omega squared plus 2 omega v plus 2v. So he wants one of the factors, omega squared squared, and 2v squared, and that's 2v squared. So it will be omega squared. Again, here it will be 2v squared. The omega squared minus 2 omega squared minus 2 omega v plus 2v squared. So that's the right answer, and that will end up our lecture or factoring second part. Okay, let me take a break now.